Mario, what do you want to do today? I don't know. I'm trying to sleep. You know that I'm sick. My nose has been running. Literally for 2 days in my own house. So I don't know. I'm sick. So I don't know what to do. How about we just turn on the TV? I'm pretty bored. Alright. Breaking news. A train track has been destroyed. And we need people to come fix it. So yeah, you can come. Bye. Well, yes, we can take a ride on the train. Luigi, get over here. Okay. Oh, God, Luigi. Mario. God, that crash was horrible. And it just crashed. Saw it on the news, it crashed, and it crashed again. Oh, my stomach hurts. Oh. Maybe because you're just hungry because you eat all the time. Probably. I feel like I broke my shoulder, but I can move it, so I didn't. What do we do? I don't know. I guess try to get up. Ow! Broke my leg, I think. Well, mine aren't broken. Well, try to fix you up. Okay? Luigi, what is that? I don't know, Mario. But at least my legs work now. Stupid train. Well, I don't know what to do now. What was that? I do not know what that was. Hello, Mario and Luigi. This is the devil. Battling me in a 1v1. Luigi. If you win, Luigi gets to live. But if I win, Luigi dies. You're not gonna kill Luigi. Let's see if that is true. Head to the battlefield. God, we're at the battlefield. That was like 5 miles of walking. Yes. And we ran the whole way. That was so tiring. Hello. Abiadoso. What? What was he doing? I don't know. Ah! Luigi! Oh, I got thrown over there. Luigi! Oh God, he's gone. No, it's a 1v1. Try me. I refuse to be defeated by you, stupid plumber. Ah! Oh! I fell. You know, I just have power, so I have the better advantage. Yeet. Finish him. It looks like I have won. Now it looks like I get to kill you, Luigi. Please. Timmy, don't do it. Timmy, don't do it. Timmy, don't do it. No. I have to. I don't have to, but I will. Oh, God, that hurts. Who are you? I'm Sheriff Woody, and I'm here to stop this. Find out what happens on the next episode of Mario and Luigi Adventures, coming next week.